So hi everyone. Today we are going to solve this question that goes by the name coupon code validator. So the question is, you are given three arrays of length n that describes the properties of n coupons: code, business line, and isActive. So the ith coupon has the following property. It has code I, a string representing the coupon identifier. Business line, it means which category it belongs to, and isActive. It depicts whether the coupon is active or not. Now, a coupon is considered valid if all of the following conditions hold. Code I is non-empty and consists only of alphanumeric characters. It means it should be non-empty and consists only the alphanumeric characters and underscores. Second, business line should be one of the four categories. Either it should be electronics or grocery or pharmacy or restaurant. And is active should be true. If these three conditions hold, then we can say that the coupon is valid. Now what you have to do is you have to return an array of codes of valid coupon sorted first by the business line in order: electronics, grocery, pharmacy, restaurant, and then by code in lexicographical order within each category. It means first you have to return all the electronic coupons, then grocery coupons, then pharmacy coupons, then restaurant coupons. And if, let's say, in the electronics coupons, let's say there are 10 coupons. Now, if in electronics coupons, you have to sort them lexicographically. You have to sort them lexicographically. So let's take this example. Here the coupons are these. This is business line and this is active. Now you can see here it is empty. It is empty, and all the coupons are active. So we can now see that we have to return first electronics. We don't have any electronics ones in this. Then grocery. Here is the grocery. Then we will return this one. But you can see that this is empty. Then we cannot return this because this is empty. Now we can return the pharmacy ones. Here pharma 5, you can see this in the answer, pharma 5. Then you can return the restaurant one, which is save 20. You can see the restaurant has two coupons. All right, save 20 and save at the rate 20. Now you cannot return this one because it has a, you can say, special character. You can return this one, then you cannot return this one. So the answer will be pharma 5 and save 20. Now in this one, you can see here, you can see the first one is not active. The first coupon is not active and the remaining two coupons are active. So first you have to return the electronics ones. So electronic 50, yes, you can return this. Then you can return, let's see, then you can return the grocery one, but it is not active. You can see here it is not active, so you will not return this one. And then after we can return the pharmacy one, then, but we don't have the pharmacy one. And then you can return the restaurant one, but we don't have the restaurant one. It is invalid, which is not the case that we cannot take the invalid. All right, so now you can see the electronics 50 is the answer. Now, how we can solve this? We can solve this. First, we will take, let's say, we will make a vector of string and we will take all the electronics ones which are active. We will put condition which are active and not having any special characters. Then we can take grocery, all the grocery coupons into a vector of a string. Similar, all active ones and not having special character. Then similar way, we can take pharmacy ones and restaurant ones. Now, inside each of one of them, inside each one of them, we can sort them lexicographically. Now, after sorting all of them, we can simply take an answer which will be vector of a string, and then we can simply push all the elements inside them one by one, starting with electronics, then grocery, then pharmacy, then restaurant. Now we will see the code and understand how this is working. So you can see here the code. This is the code. We have been given code, a vector of string, a business line, a vector of string, and isActive, which is a vector of bool. Now, see, we have taken four vector of strings: electronics, grocery, pharmacy, and restaurant. Now we are iterating over the let's say all three. We are iterating. This one. If you can't understand it, this is just for taking the size, because size of each will be equal. So this is just for taking the size. Now we will iterate. Now see this. I'm checking here if the code is not empty, and if it is active, and we will check here whether the code exists whether the code has alphanumeric characters and underscores. If it does not have both of them, we cannot take them. So here we are checking this. See this function. Uh, we are taking input as a string. We are iterating over the string. If it is not alphanumeric, here you can see if it is not alphanumeric, and if it is not underscore, then we will return false. And after checking all the characters, if they are if they do not return false, then at last we can say that our string has no special characters, so we will return true. So here, if business line I is electronics, then we can push it into ele. In similar fashion, we can say if business line I is grocery, push it to the grocery. If pharmacy, push it to the pharmacy, and if restaurant, push it to the restaurant. Now in each one of them, we can sort this. In electronics one, we can sort this. In grocery ones, we can sort this. In pharmacy, we can sort. And in the restaurant, we can sort. And at last, we are taking a vector of a string as answer and pushing electronics first, then grocery, then pharmacy, and then restaurant. And at last, we are returning our answer. So this is an easy question. This came in weekly contest of 6th July, I guess. So that's it. Thank you.